Welcome in world of technology. Hands-on, Samsung Q8FN QLED TV review. With full array local dimming, smart home support and HDR10 Plus functionality, the Samsung Q8FN QLED TV beats out the 2017 Samsung lineup for a fraction of the cost. Price and availability. The Q8FN will sell in three sizes, 75-inch, 65-inch, and 55-inch. Currently, only the 65 set is on sale, and it's priced at $2,999, about £2,200, around £4,000 Australian dollars. There's no word yet on when the other two sizes will go on sale, or for what price. Unfortunately for our European readers, the Q8FN is North America exclusive. In its place, Samsung is releasing a Q8CN model exclusively in Europe, with identical specs to the Q8FN except for its curved frame and inferior edge LED lighting, see below. For comparison, the Q9FN 65-inch prices in at $3,799, about £2,800, around £4,900 Australian dollars, and the Q7FN 65-inch sells for $2,599, about £1,900, around $3,300 Australian dollars. Design. Like last year's sets, Samsung's QLEDs uses quantum dot technology that is technically more LED than QLED. They're built in with nano-sized crystal semiconductor particles that should theoretically emit their own light, like OLED pixels, but instead transmit colors via an LED backlight. Samsung's ambient mode turns this shortcut into an advantage. This cool new feature lets your TV blend into the wall behind it, as well as display smartphone updates or play music, without consuming full energy levels. OLEDs can't imitate ambient mode because their pixels would burn in the patterns of your wall, whereas quantum dots, which don't produce their own light, don't suffer this defect. The Q8S has an impressively skinny bezel compared to most TVs, which helps it blend into your decor. Though they did choose silver for the frame and stand color, which looked a bit more flashy and futuristic compared to the deep black frame of the Q9. In fact, in terms of design, the Q8 doesn't seem to fully embrace the subtle ambient theme of 2018 in the way that the Q7 and Q9 do. Both of these sets use Samsung's one-mount system, which gives your TV interchangeable and easily removable stands, including one that makes your TV look like a canvas on an easel and lets you mount your TV on the wall easily. The Q8 has a more traditional four-legged stand. Features. Samsung's 2018 QLED interface looks a lot like the Eden system from last year's QLEDs, with a customizable interface of blocky app icons. The key difference is that the new system's universal guide groups together live and on-demand content from your cable and apps into one searchable interface. Look in the comedy section, and you could find Netflix and Amazon exclusives side by side as similar recommendations. The Q8FN comes with 4 HDMI ports and 3 USB ports along with Ethernet, which should meet hardcore gamers' needs. And as a cool perk for PC gamers, the 2018 QLED line comes built-in with Steam Link, so you can cast your library to your TV without having to buy anything. You can also cast content from your smartphone to your Q8 if you have a Samsung device. Exclusive Samsung device features was a major theme of the event. Performance. The Q8FN has a 3840x2160 resolution, and it supports motion rate 240. Samsung's fancy way of saying a native 120 Hz refresh rate. Plus its new Q engine will take your non-4K content and push it up to UHD levels, and is capable of upscaling HDR10 streams to HDR10 Plus quality in real time. Like last year's Samsung Q8C QLED, the Q8FN reaches 1500 nits of brightness. But they've upgraded from bottom-edge LED lighting to direct backlight LEDs, which allows for full-array local dimming and improves deep black color performance. One of the biggest complaints we had about the old QLED TVs was that in low-light settings, the edge lighting would cause backlight clouding and gray banding. But in the dark conference hall, the HDR10 Plus content looked flawlessly uniform. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you next time on the other R videos.